Hello. This is Jenna Cantor. I'm all about the performing arts and physical therapy, and I am the founder of Powerful Performer. Today, I'm going to be discussing why. Why would you want to delay a total knee or total hip replacement? I actually already have this in my thought process because recently in December, I had no incident at all, and I happened to hurt my meniscus, and it's meniscal degeneration at this point. And this just kind of means the beginning of a journey of dealing with meniscal and knee problems. It's a very common thing, unfortunately. And there could be a point where I might need surgery to remove some of my meniscus or have that option. And then it gets to a point where your bones could be rubbing together, and then eventually maybe a partial knee replacement or even a total knee replacement. It all just kind of, unfortunately, starts, your path is going to be gradually downhill, but you just try to make it work. And the big drive for it, of course, is pain. The pain can just be excruciating and difficult to just do something as simple as walking. So why would I avoid getting a total knee replacement done? Why? Because the idea would be the pain would go away, and then it's just like this metallic or whatever material thing that's in my knee, and the pain will be gone, right? Let's get it done today. Why would there be a delay? There's a very good reason. Okay, so when a total knee or total hip replacement is done, what happens is they drill into your bones. So on one side, they're going to, let's focus on hip, because I think the hip is just such a good example. So you have your bone, the beginning of your leg, that's your thigh, okay, the thigh bone there, it's the femur, this really, really big bone, okay? What they do, aside from maybe removing some part of your bone, they drill, this is the key point, they drill into your bone. They make a hole in your bone, like for this rod that goes inside your bone, okay? The rod goes inside your bone, so it's a nice tight fit. Okay, so that rod, and that's how it all sticks in there. Amazing. It only lasts up to a certain number of years, because over time, that rod that's inside your bone, it starts to create space, and then it becomes loose. And you don't want loose. You want everything to be secure. So then you need to get another one done. When you get another one done, they need to make that hole in your bone a little bit larger and then put in a little bit larger rod. I believe it's up to 3 times that the surgery can be done. After that, they run out of bone that they can surgically, and safely remove to fit in a nice tight rod. After that, that's it. That's it. Now with that, I mean, there's certain questions. Is walking a possibility when you don't have these attachments that work? Like what do you have after that? There is an end. There is like an end of function. Whoa, yeah, you want to avoid that like the plague. Though it can be a solution for today and a temporary solution, and though it can be years for the temporary solution to last, there's an end zone. That's why even if you're young and you're thinking, oh, I could heal from the surgery. No. You want to avoid it because of that end zone. So I hope this was helpful for anybody who has any early signs of knee injuries. They've been warned about things that looks like it's in their heritage, their genial heritage. This is something to consider and to know about regarding surgeries. There are many different types of surgeries that are available, depending on what is going on with your body. Do not equate one with the other. It's always good to investigate the whys. This is one of the whys. All right, take care. Have a great day. Bye.